Introducing the new Voltex Dynamic Mix Valve for two-component foaming materials. Designed with independent A/B component control, front-back mounting capability, and flexible plumbing options to optimize applications. Integrated dispense delay controls monitor ramp-up time, RPM, and torque to prevent broken mixers and inconsistently mixed materials. Disposable mixing elements, long-lasting rotary seals, and sturdy components stand up to tough-to-blend materials, making maintenance and cleaning quick and easy. This rotary static valve is engineered to deliver dependable and durable dynamic mixing for the toughest potting, gasketing, bonding, and sealing applications. Voltex wall and table-mounted control box options fully integrate with existing Graco systems like the PR70, HFR, EFR, and Unexact. 2K power shutoff kit and recirculation options ensure clean dispense and prevent premature material curing. Ideal for applications requiring foaming urethanes and silicones like battery, filtration, general industry, and automotive. For more information on the Voltex Dynamic Mix Valve, visit www.graco.com/Voltex.